Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can connect with printer and also how you can print, for example, pictures. So the first we have to go for the settings, next we have to go for devices, select printers and the scanners. Let me just resize that window, and then we have to click here to add printer. As you can see right now our PC is looking for available printers around us. I would like to connect for HP Color LaserJet Pro M478F, whatever. Yeah, so click here on this printer that you want to connect by tapping on the left mouse button and click to add device. Right now we are connecting, so we have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So it was very simple, as you can see. So right now, if you want to print something, for example, I get this picture, I would like to print that picture, we have to click on this print icon. Also we can click here and select print from this. Okay, it disappeared, never mind. So let's click here on the print icon. And as you can see right here, we have to choose our printer. So as a default, it will be set up to Microsoft Print to PDF. But for sure, if you want to print that on the paper, just choose your printer and then click on this button. And it will be all. Of course, here you can change the settings of the picture. So for example, we can make 2 copies. We can change from the landscape to the portrait mode. Yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.